Yo, NBA, man. Y'all need to look into the Bucks for tampering. Y'all do. I'm just gonna put that out there. Y'all didn't hear it from me, but I heard it through somebody. Y'all look at him for tampering.
Sa wakas, na-trade na si Damian Lillard. It's not the Miami Heat. Oh my God. He will go to the Milwaukee Bucks to join force with Giannis Antetokounmpo. Dame. Akala ko ba, kuwan. Pero ito na nga at may bago ng team si Dame Time. And ito yung full details ng trade. It is a 3-team trade. Ang makukuha lang ng Bucks ay si Damian Lillard solo. Ang makukuha ng Blazers ay si Drew Holiday, DeAndre Ayton, Toumani Camara, 2029 first round pick ng Bucks, and pick swaps sa 2028 at 2030. Samantalang ang para sa Suns ay sina Yusuf Nurkic, Nazir Little, Keon Johnson, at Grayson Allen. Ayun, done deal. Yung Heat kasi kahapon hesitant na ibigay yung kanilang 7 asset na hinihingi ng Blazers, which hindi ko rin naman sila masisisi. Paano yung future nila if hindi mag-work out si Damian Lillard sa Heat? Kaya hindi natuloy yung trade. Dito sa 3-team trade, sobrang okay yung nakuha ng Blazers. Holiday and Ayton. Grabe. Solid. Yung Suns naman, from Ayton, magiging Nurkic. Marami ang confused sa move na ito, pero gusto lang din talagang mawala ng Suns yung contract ni Ayton, tsaka matagal na siyang gustong i-trade. Magiging sobrang okay pa rin sa Blazers. Imagine their lineup with Scoot Henderson. Masakit lang sa part ni Drew Holiday kasi ayaw niya na sa ibang team. Parang kahapon niya lang sinabi yun eh. Pero nadamay siya sa business world ng NBA. There's nothing he can do but to play with Blazers. Tapos mentor niya si Scoot Henderson. And future is bright pa rin para sa franchise. For me, mas okay yung trade nito because of the Ayton one. Yung mga future draft picks ng Heat, hindi naman natin kilala kung sino pa. And ang okay lang doon is Tyler Hero. Pero if you had these 2 quality players, syempre dito na rin ako at bahala na yung Miami Heat. Bahala sila. Kung ayaw nila si Damian Lillard, ayaw nilang ibigay yung gusto natin. Kasi kung ikaw yung nasa pwesto ng Blazers, kung bibitawan mo na si Lillard, might as well for the best din para sa franchise nyo. For the Bucks naman, ito yung team na sobrang sakto. Gumawa pa ako ng content na ito sa Agon Hoops. Tipong Bucks yung top of the line ko na choice for Lillard. Mga 2 months ago na yun. And ito na nga at nangyari. Mga linya ko nun is, okay na yung core ng Bucks. Nananalo pa rin sila pero they need another fire or different dimension sa offense. Tsaka mababawasan yung load ni Giannis. Tipong yung parang lahat dapat sa kanya nakasalalay. Ngayon, he can play his true form. Minsan kasi nagiging out of his comfort zone na. Tsaka kapag clutch time situation, we know kung sino yung titira at yung isa will be a threat sa offensive board. Sa driving ability ni Giannis, mas magiging malapad yung kanyang space compare before with Drew Holiday. Hindi lang respectable shooter si Dame. He is one of the best. Kaya magdadalawang isip ka talaga na mag-double or mag-help kay Giannis. Another one is yung kanilang magiging pick and roll game. Grabe, a lot of offensive power. Bucks will miss the defense of Holiday for sure. Lillard should go all out para hindi ma-overlook yung situation. In times na maging liability siya sa cross matches, lalabas na naman yung mga comments dyan na sana hindi inalis si Holiday. Kaya may pressure pa rin kay Dame to show everybody na he can do this, he can win a ring. Kayo ba, anong tingin nyo na Milwaukee Bucks na si Damian Lillard? Ito yung totoong ginulat ang mundo. Let me know all your thoughts in the comment section below. I will now step back. Bye-bye.